Okay, it is time for a spring cleaning in this bathroom. I'm going to go through drawers and cabinets, dust off everything up here, baseboards, floors. Every inch in this bathroom is going to get scrubbed today. In here, we're gonna do that. And then if I have enough time, we're gonna come all the way here. And yeah, this is all the stuff that I got out of my car. Need to go through all that. And then, yeah, get all this done. So I hope to get my bathroom and this room kind of deep cleaned and getting rid of stuff, decluttering, things like that. But I think in here is going to take me a while because I really want to get down to the baseboards. I mean, is not looking good. And I have to clear off some drawers here. So let's just go ahead and start because I'm losing time right now.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So in today's video, I will be in my bathroom and my bedroom. I wanted to make sure that both these rooms got a really good clean because it has been lacking in here. I kind of cleaned over the surface, but I really wanted to get deep down into this bathroom. I wanted to get the baseboards and the walls and the ceiling fan, which by the way, I did clean the ceiling fan and up top of the cabinet, but I thought I hit the record button and I didn't. So I keep doing that lately. I don't know what's going on with me, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, leave it a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, you guys, as I was trying to declutter down here, my husband comes in the bathroom and he wanted me to go to lunch with him. So I decided to go. And then as you can see, this next scene, I have my shoes on. We had just gotten back. I think I was gone for about an hour. No, we were gone for about 2 or 3 hours. We went to eat lunch and then we went to Home Depot because we're always working on some projects. So he needed some lumber. And here I am decluttering my makeup, you guys. I should honestly just get rid of all of this because I cannot wear makeup. The only thing I can wear as far as foundations is the brand Tarte and the Rainforest. I think it's the Sea Rainforest or something. I don't even know what it's called because I don't even wear it anymore because I wear a mask at work. I work 12-hour shifts and I really don't want to put on a bunch of makeup and put on a mask. It is ridiculous. So I hardly wear any makeup anymore. So I felt like I should have decluttered that whole or gotten rid of the whole entire drawer. But I know that this whole mask situation is apparently going to end soon, at least for Alabama. I don't know. But either way, I honestly should declutter all my makeup because I'm not a makeup person. I'm not a makeup guru. I just put on some foundation, some blush, some bronze, and mascara and go about my way. So yeah, but I decided to go ahead and make sure that all these drawers were cleaned out, which I have kept them. This drawer specifically right here, I have kept really clean and it's nice and organized. Everything is in its place. For the most part, I do keep everything pretty organized in this bathroom. But look at these baseboards, you guys. Oh my gosh, they were so gross. And this is why I wanted to get into this because I'm planning to paint the bathroom walls and the trim. I'm either planning to pull out that trim at the bottom, like that wood piece, or we're going to paint it. I don't know what we're going to do, but I know that we're going to be painting baseboards and walls, and it was just a nasty mess. And I don't want to get to the day where we are going to paint and I just have to really use elbow grease to get everything off. But that was my goal on this day, was to just clean the baseboards, clean the walls, wipe down any cobwebs, anything that just might be in the walls that will hinder me when that day comes when I do want to paint. I don't have to put a lot of elbow grease. I can just kind of wipe over the surface and then start my painting. Okay, and here is where I spent a little bit of time. I really wanted to get into this medicine cabinet because I knew that we had some stuff in here that was expired and I wanted to go ahead and get rid of it because it was just taking up space. But I ended up organizing it. It still looked pretty much the same, and I love these baskets. These I actually got at Walmart. These are a little thicker than the ones you would get at the Dollar Tree, but they fit perfectly in here, and every single bin has everything that we need, from the kids bins to thermometers to cough medicine to anything we're prescribed, our first aid stuff as far as band-aids and things like that. We keep that all in here because if we were to put some, my plan was to put some in the kids bathroom, but my husband didn't want that because my stepdaughter is one to take band-aids just to take them and put them on if she has a little scab or if she has a little scratch, and he did not want that because then that's just a waste of band-aids. So he just decided it'd be best if we have everything as far as first aid in our bathroom. That way if they need something, they can just come in and ask for it.
right, guys, this room is completely done. The only thing is that has to be put up. The hamper, that is dirty clothes that I have to wash. By the way, that hamper is broken. It's going in the trash. I just noticed that today. It's actually sticking up right here. This little metal piece is coming up, but I definitely need to change that. I did everything in this room. Baseboards are cleaned. I cleaned the ceiling fan, baseboard. So yeah, bathroom as well. I'm going to take this candle actually and put it in the bathroom because over here I went ahead and I am running my oil diffuser, and I bought some new oils at TJ Maxx, and they smell pretty good actually. So I am going to stick this candle here. Yep, and I'm so happy I got this bathroom cleaned up because I want to get this bathroom prepped because I am wanting to start my project in here, painting the cabinets, painting the countertop, or not painting the countertop, but epoxying it just like I did in the kids' bathroom. So I am super excited for all those projects. This is still not on this wall because there's really no point because we have to take these down. My husband has to patch this up here. I don't know if I want to keep the towel bar. But my husband has his on his side, and then we have a hook over here. But I think all this is going to get changed. I'm either going to buy oil bronze ones or spray paint this like I did the kids' bathroom. So there's a lot of things that's going to happen in this bathroom. Hopefully I can start soon. And if I do start soon, it's going to be little by little because I work full time. So I really want to start off with the counter because that's what's going to, I feel like, it's just going to be better if I do that because the appliance epoxy, the spray, it has a lot of overspray. So I am going to cover up like the mirrors, but not everything else because I'm going to paint the walls, paint the trim, paint the cabinets. I do have to cover up the floors because I don't want anything on the floors, but hopefully I can get better video for you guys. The only reason I don't have a better video for the kids' bathroom is because that was my first time using it, and that stuff sprayed everywhere, and I did not want that all over my expensive camera. So I might have to put like a cover over my camera or maybe use my phone when I'm doing this because that overspray got everywhere, like all over, just everywhere in that bathroom. So yeah, but that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. And if you are new, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.